So nag-offer din sila dito ng membership. B ay member of the Monte Maria family. MAPI offers two types of membership, a founder member at saka pilgrim member. So ano ba yung mga benefits natin dyan? 20% discount on hotel accommodation, food and beverages, use of facilities, recreational and entertainment charges. Tsaka yung mga facilities nila na gagawin pa dito, water park, hotel, resort, Miracle Walk, Galleria, chapel, tsaka marine museum. No monthly dues, no elevator fee, free entrance and parking, free overnight stay in hotel. Wow! Kaya lang, para lang po yun sa founders at priority in the use of facilities and can bring along friends. So, mag-inquire kayo, ano? Yan yung number. At punta po kayo dun sa, sa office nila sa Alpha Hotel, Kumintang, Ibaba, Batangas City. Ito yung other side. Members only. So, kung interesado kayo na mag-member, ito po, meron sila ditong booth. So, ito pala yung babayaran pag gusto nyo maging member. Founder share, 150,000. Ng Pilgrim shares, 35,000. 5 years to pay for as low as 2.8 monthly para sa founders at 670 monthly para dun sa Pilgrim shares. Grabe, tingnan nyo yung plano niya, oh.